Hello, and welcome back to PTE Academic Listening from PTE Tutorials. Today we'll be going over the question type, select the missing word. The contents of this presentation will include what is the select the missing word, the test instruction that you will see on the exam, some tips in order to succeed or excel, as well as a sample question at the end. So what is selecting the missing words? Essentially, you have to identify words that are missing from context clues and find it in the recording and then where it should be within a text. This only tests your listening skills. The specific instruction will be, you will hear a recording about a topic. At the end of the recording, the last word or group of words has been replaced by a beep. Select the correct option to complete the recording. Some tips to excel are going through the instructions carefully. These instructions present the main idea of what you're going through. You should be following the recording and identifying context clues and main ideas. You should be keeping an eye on the audio status box. A beep sound is always at the end of the recording. Read all of the options carefully to make sure that you're not missing the correct one. Last, you should also make sure that the grammatical structure fits the word that you're looking at. If it doesn't, then that's not the right answer. Now let's look at a sample question. The average air temperature at the surface of the Earth has risen this century, as had the temperature of the ocean's surface waters. Because water expands as it heats, a warmer ocean means higher sea levels. We cannot say definitely that the temperature rises are due to the greenhouse effect. The heating may be part of a natural variability over a long time scale that we have yet not recognized in our short 100 years of recording. However, assuming the buildup of greenhouse gases is responsible, the warming will continue. Scientists and the inhabitants of low-lying coastal areas would like... As you can see, there was a beep at the end. Given the context, the people in the low-lying areas would like to evacuate those places, know the extent of future sea level rises, to fight against rising temperatures, or to educate people on greenhouse gases. From the context, it would probably be appropriate that they are wanting to know the future sea level rising, considering that majority of what was going on in that blurb was what we know and what we don't know about sea level rising. That concludes this short presentation. We hope to see you again in our next video presentation. And thank you again for choosing PTEtutorials.com.